Okay, we're out here with our DHC-2 Beaver bush plane, the XK A600. My wind meter wasn't working this morning. I think the battery's dead in it, so I will have to rectify that situation. But it feels like the wind is about 4 miles an hour out of northeast. And this little thing only weighs 88 grams all up weight, but I wanted to do this dust off flight since I haven't flown this thing in so long. So let's see if we can get it in the air. We're up. I'll back up a little bit. Sounds to me like my prop has developed a little bit of vibration. It sounds a lot noisier than I remember it. I may end up replacing that stock motor with the 1306 like I did on the XK Edge stunt plane. Much better motor than the stock motor. A nice flying plane, very stable. If you've watched our reviews of this plane and our flights with it, you know that I like this plane, but I don't recommend it as a trainer or a first plane because it's made out of EPS foam, which is pretty brittle foam. It can't take much punishment, you know, without breaking. So unfortunately, sorry about flying into the sun there. Still a little low in the sky. I think it's about 8:45 in the morning here. But yeah, it's a very nice flying plane, even in some wind with the gyro. It's a gyro stabilized airplane. And you can see when I turn into the wind, it wants to climb a bit. What a fun little plane though, huh? Don't want to get too close to the ground with a little bit of wind out here. Yeah, it sounds a little noisier to me than what it was before. So it tracks very well. Nice looking plane too. I like the paint scheme on that, orange, white, and black. Well, high visibility in the air. That's fun. Yeah, I don't know, 4 mile an hour on the ground, but yeah. Okay, we'll do another circuit here and then see if I can land it coming into the wind. Last time I was out here, I think that I stalled it coming in. Oh, I'm going to go around again. I was catching some wind coming in. There are times I've been out here flying this where I have had to make 4 or 5 go-around attempts to get it on the ground, because when it comes into the wind, it really picks up, you know, lift. Now I'm going to go around again. And I think I was saying last time I was out here, I think I stalled it on approach, and I think I nosed it in. That might explain the vibration in my prop. Oh, that was terrible. Yeah, that probably explains it. Oh well, we'll put another battery in it and fly it some more. Great gyro on this plane. I mean, even some wind, it makes it very, very stable. It does produce a lot of lift though in the wind, so keep that in mind when you're coming into land. But thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out our Patreon site. We have a lot of free content there as well. And I will see you in the air.